Ever found yourself juggling a gazillion bills, trying to remember what goes out when, and then, inevitably, missing a payment and getting hit with a late fee? Or maybe you're just tired of manually transferring money every month for your rent, your gym membership, or that streaming service you definitely use enough to justify. What if I told you there's a way to automate all of those recurring payments, giving you back precious mental real estate and helping you avoid those annoying late charges? A way to set it and forget it, leaving your financial management feeling less like a chaotic circus and more like a well-oiled machine. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Monzo and, specifically, how to set up direct debits within this fantastic digital bank. If you're a Monzo user, or even just considering making the switch, understanding direct debits is absolutely crucial for streamlining your finances and taking a huge step towards financial peace of mind. We're going to break down everything from what a direct debit actually is, why Monzo is such a great platform for managing them, and then, of course, a step-by-step guide on how to get yours set up. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a direct debit pro, ready to automate your way to a more organized financial life. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly demystify what a direct debit actually is. In its simplest form, a direct debit is an instruction from you to your bank, authorizing a third party, like your utility company, your landlord, or your phone provider, to collect varying amounts of money from your account on a regular basis. Think of it as giving permission for someone to take money out of your account when it's due, rather than you having to remember to send it to them. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that just like a standing order? That's a great question, and it's a common point of confusion. While both automate payments, there's a key difference. A standing order is an instruction from you to your bank to pay a fixed amount to a specific recipient on a regular date. For example, if you send your mom £50 on the 1st of every month, that would be a standing order. A direct debit, however, is controlled by the recipient, and the amount can vary. Your electricity bill, for instance, changes every month depending on your usage. A direct debit is perfect for that. Your council tax, which might be the same for a year but then changes, also fits the direct debit model. So, while both are super useful for automation, direct debits offer that flexibility for variable payments. So, why Monzo for managing these crucial payments? Well, Monzo has built a reputation for its user-friendly interface, its smart budgeting tools, and its commitment to making banking less intimidating. When it comes to direct debits, Monzo really shines. Firstly, visibility. Monzo gives you incredible clarity over your direct debits. You can see all your active direct debits in one place, along with upcoming payments and past transactions. This transparency is a game changer for budgeting. No more guessing when that gym payment is due. Secondly, notifications. Monzo is brilliant at keeping you informed. You'll often get a notification a few days before a direct debit is due to go out, giving you time to ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. This proactive approach helps you avoid those dreaded failed payment fees. Thirdly, control. While a direct debit is controlled by the recipient, Monzo gives you easy ways to manage them. You can cancel a direct debit right from within the app with just a few taps. No more calling your bank and navigating endless automated menus. Fourthly, budgeting integration. Monzo's POTS feature, which we'll touch on briefly, can be incredibly powerful when combined with direct debits. You can allocate funds specifically for upcoming bills, ensuring you're always prepared. And finally, the sheer simplicity. Monzo has designed its app with the user in mind, and setting up and managing direct debits is no exception. It's intuitive, straightforward, and doesn't require a finance degree to understand. Alright, enough preamble. Let's get to the main event, how to set up direct debits in Monzo. The good news is, you don't actually set up a direct debit in the Monzo app itself in the same way you might set up a standing order. Instead, you provide your Monzo account details to the company you want to pay, and they initiate the direct debit request through the banking system. Monzo then handles the authorization and management on their end. Here's the typical process, broken down into easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Gather your Monzo account details. This is the very first thing you'll need. Every company that wants to set up a direct debit will ask for your account number. This is your unique 8-digit Monzo account number. Sort code. This is your unique 6-digit Monzo sort code. For most personal Monzo accounts in the UK, this is 04-00-04. However, it's always best to double-check in your app. Where do you find these in the Monzo app? It's super easy. Open your Monzo app. On the home screen, you'll see your main account balance. Just below that, you should see account details. Tap on account details, and you'll see your full account number and sort code clearly displayed. You can even tap to copy them, which is incredibly handy if you're filling out an online form. Step 2. Provide your Monzo details to the company/service provider. This is where you actually initiate the direct debit. You'll do this directly with the company you wish to pay. This could be online forms. Many companies now have online portals where you can manage your payments. Look for sections like Manage Payments, Billing Information, or Set up Direct Debit. You'll then input your Monzo account number and sort code into the required fields. Over the phone, if you're setting up a new service or changing your payment method, the customer service representative will often ask for your bank details over the phone. Just provide your Monzo account number and sort code. Paper forms, less common now, but some older services or charities might still use paper forms. You'll fill in your Monzo details on the form and send it back. Important considerations when providing details. Accuracy is key. Double-check, triple-check those numbers. A single-digit error can cause the direct debit to fail or, worse, go to the wrong account. Reference. The company might ask for a reference or your customer ID. Make sure you provide this so they can correctly link the direct debit to your account with them. Confirmation. Once you've provided your details, the company should send you a confirmation either by email or post, confirming that they've set up the direct debit. This confirmation will usually detail the first payment date and the amount. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.